your hands up to your side. There you go. Take your head to the left. Keep your arms up to the side. Far off to your side. Like this way. There you go. Alright, center passenger, step out. Passenger side. Center passenger side. There you go. Step out. Back up, bud. Back up. Keep backing up. Keep backing up. Slide step to your left. To your left. There you go. Keep going. Keep going.
I work for the building.
Alright,
Oh,
keep going. Stop right there. Walk forward. Keep walking forward. 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 Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Stop right there. Down on your knees. Lay down your stomach. Turn your head to the left. Rear passenger. Rear passenger. The back of the car. Step off the passenger side. Back up and sound my voice. Back it up. Back up. Back up. Keep going. And step to your left. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Right there. Go. Walk straight forward. Keep going. Keep going. Walk past the person in front of you. Keep going. Keep walking. And step up to your left. Right there. Keep going. Just step forward. Right there. Down on your knees. On your stomach. And take your head to the left. Rear passenger. Behind the driver. Come onto the passenger side. Rear passenger. Back up. Back step to your left. Back step to your left. Keep going. There you go. Into the middle lane. Back step to your left. 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 Keep going. Keep going. Pass the last person. Keep going. Alright, right there. On your knees. On the stomach. Keep your head to the left. Alright, Adam. Let's step out on the other side. Let's go, bud. Put the phone down. Step out of the car. Hands up. Reach away from him. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Alright, side step to your left. Keep going. Keep going. Last person to the left. Keep going. Keep going. Alright. Keep the person. On your knees. On your knees. On your knees. Look right on the ground. Keep your head to the left. Alright. Anybody else in the car? Step on out. Hey, stay on the ground.
This was a traffic stop on Alameda between 4th and 3rd Street, downtown LA, Little Tokyo area. This was a F-250 truck, silver Ford. Oh man, that guy's having trouble with that guy. He's a big guy. There's 4 men in the truck. This was it started at Hollenbeck Division, LAPD on 4th Street. They got behind the vehicle, and for whatever reason, they needed this many units. Look at this. For whatever reason, they required a helicopter. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 units. 10 units from the LAPD, Hollenbeck and Central Division. Right now they're searching the car. There was 4 occupants. There's 4 dudes in the car, man. They pulled them out at gunpoint, and now they're searching their vehicle. They're being cool with the guys. I see a lot of smiles now. Everything seems to be okay. The officers are a lot more relaxed. There was one of the dudes in the car was a big guy, is a big guy. And he was joking. He said, I couldn't even get up. They needed 3 officers to help him get up. Yeah, you have all the space you need, sir. Danny Boy 323 69. 69. I know who you are. What's up, brother? Hell yeah. Hell yeah, I will. I'll tell you guys. Oh, come on. How much more space you want?
Just 100 feet. Right over there.
All right. You know what? You put your tape up and I'll move. How about that? I'll respect the tape. I'll respect the tape. No problem. No problem. All right.
Step over there on the other side of the park, the driveway.
Or you can wait over there.
Can I just wait over here across the street?
No. No, across the street, all the way across the street, that's fine.
I'll go halfway across the street. What's up, guys? Let me go back that way. Con permiso, guys. Excuse me. What happened here? Just a traffic stop? Nothing special? All right. Is it? All right. Cool. I already do, bro. Yeah, hell yeah. No way. Órale. Nah. That's dirty, man. EastLos Arits. Hey, nice to finally meet you, bro. Nice to finally meet you. Nah, but it's cool. Alright, so it turns out I know these. Well, I don't know them personally, but I know them on social media. This is EastLos Off-Roads. EastLos Off-Roads. Shout out to EastLos Off-Roads out of East LA. They're saying that the truck is stolen, so show you guys. There's a huge response. It's a huge response. There's still about, look at it. They closed off the street over there on 3rd. Currently I'm facing north on Alameda. That's 3rd Street over there. They closed off also at the very end over there. That's 4th Street. I'm looking southbound now. There's a unit also blocking that traffic, so this whole street is blocked off for a suspected stolen vehicle. Yeah. Still a lot of units here. Still a lot of officers here. It's been over 10 minutes, 15 minutes almost, and they're still here. It's pretty much code 4. All the dudes are in cuffs. They already searched the vehicle. I don't know why they need so many officers here still. These guys are chopping it up. They're laughing. They're having a good time. Checking the socks. Oh, he just sock checked them. You saw that? That officer just sock checked them. Sick. He did. Sock check all around. Everybody's gonna get sock checked right now. Everybody. All right, here we go. There's still one more person that's in the middle of all them officers. They released everybody else. I missed it. What's that?
Really have to be that close?
What's the problem? I was actually just trying to listen to the call, but he didn't like it. I got too close. That's it, code 4. They're all getting in their cars and they're all leaving code 4. Code 4.